Hey guys, in this episode of Answers Cookbook, I'm going to show you the recipe of chocolate pancakes. Let's get started.
Here I have a mixing bowl. In this I am adding 1 cup and 2 tablespoons of maida or plain flour, half a cup of powdered sugar, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, half a tablespoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, a little bit of salt and 2 tablespoons butter, a little bit of milk and mix this well. Take 1 cup of hot milk and add it gradually to the batter and mix it really well. Make sure you do not add all the milk at once. You can add some water or more milk if your batter is too thick. Make sure you do not add cold water or cold milk. Always add warm water or medium hot milk to this. Once all the ingredients are well combined, whisk the batter really well. The batter is ready now. I will show you the consistency. Now heat a pan, do not grease it, turn the flame to medium and add a ladle full of batter. Do not spread it much. Cover the pan and in 2 or 3 minutes, once the bubbles start to appear, flip it to the other side. Make sure you flip it before the top side is completely dry. Flip it carefully as the top side is not completely dry. Cover the pan and cook the other side for 1 minute or so and you are done. Prepare the remaining pancakes similarly. With this recipe, you can make 12 pancakes of this size. Give it a try guys and like the video if you like it. Comment your views on the recipe and suggestions in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe for more interesting and easy recipes every day.
Thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.